My dear friends, happy hunting! Ready for unbox na naman tayo, and we actually got this package coming off from Lazada in courtesy of Hot Wheels Philippines. Nabalitaan natin na meron daw collector's chase. Well, I'm not actually into that, pero at least may nakita tayong product na nagustuhan natin. And last time that I ordered from them, I never actually had a fun experience. So if everything that I ordered will be good, this will be the first. And they say money can't buy happiness, but that's not actually true. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit may extra grind tayo aside from your regular work. Kasi, my dear friends, you are not just born to pay bills, you are also born to collect. And actually, a massive shout out to my loved ones who are already in heaven. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit natin binili ito. And this will be my first Silver Series na binili ko siya by set. I might keep it or I might break the set. So nasa pangalawa na tayo, hindi pa rin lumalabas yung paborito ko dito sa Silver Series na in-order natin. But that's totally fine. Sabi nila, itong Lancia is a chase daw. Let me know in the comment section. May kasabihan na third time's a charm, and this is it. Ang ganda lang nitong car na to para sa akin. And this is coming off from a guy na binibenta lang talaga ang kanyang Honda Civic. So for me, this is my favorite. And to be honest, this yellow Datsun is not bad. I might unbox it and put it on my display. And Audi na white, not bad. Pero not for unbox. So sa tingin nyo nagsasayang lang ako ng pera nung bumili tayo ng additional na Chevy. Pero para sa akin, maganda ang kanyang casting. And I just recently watched that movie Ferdinand. And why not buy a car with flowers? At saka kahit anong sikat at saka laos ng Batman trademark, para sa akin, binabalik niya yung memorya ko nung kabataan and it actually makes me feel young. At saka last but not the least, ewan ko kung bakit ginawa nilang free ito, pero sa akin, iba talaga yung dating ng RLC o Redline Club, tapos combination pa siya ng Zamac Edition. So from what you see, everything is packed well, and alam niyo naman ako, I'm a classic guy. So this Land Rover Classic, panalo para sa akin.